Hello YouTube, and thank you for watching. Just a short video. The wind's blowing like, well, as you can see, the trees are moving. It's about 2 bird farts short of a hurricane, but hopefully you can hear me. Yesterday we was working on Farmer Bob's mower. It's leaking oil worse than Exxon Valdez. If you don't know what that is, Google it and find out. I come in, stopped at the mailbox, and my hinges had came in from a tailgate. And here's the old ones I took off. As you can tell, focus. As you can tell, they was in pretty bad shape. Now they're real easy to put on for anyone who ain't never done this before. It's 2 bolts to put this on. Where the rub comes in is when you go to put the mating part on the tailgate. After about 2 hours of work, I finally figured out the best way to do that is to take you a chisel and spread this, and then take you a grinding wheel or sawzall or a hacksaw or something, because somebody has welded these on to the tailgate, and that's a little bit of a problem to try to get off. But it's off, and I'm going to put it on, and it's just a little update in case somebody has a 97 GMC pickup truck that they want to fix the tailgate on. These little fellas right here, just be ready to spend about an hour and a half trying to get them off. So yep, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.